Many people think cryptocurrency mining is only for tech giants with endless cash. Not true. You too can join the exciting world of crypto mining, even with a limited budget. It's like panning for gold, but instead of a pickaxe, you're using your computer to find digital treasure. This guide will show you how to get started, even if you're not a tech wizard. We'll explore different mining options, from cloud mining to using your own hardware. We'll also share tips and tricks to maximize your profits and minimize your costs. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency mining. It's more accessible than you think, and the rewards can be substantial. So buckle up, and let's get started on your journey to mining success. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Imagine a giant digital ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction ever made. That's the blockchain. Miners are like the accountants of this ledger, verifying and adding new transactions to the blockchain. But here's the exciting part. Miners get rewarded for their work with, you guessed it, cryptocurrency. It's like getting paid to solve complex puzzles, and the payment is in digital gold. Mining isn't just about making money though, it's also about securing the entire cryptocurrency network. By verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain, miners ensure the integrity and security of the entire system. So not only can you potentially profit from mining, but you're also contributing to the growth and stability of the cryptocurrency revolution. It's a win-win situation. Cloud mining is like renting a virtual mining rig. You pay a company to do the heavy lifting for you, and in return, you get a share of the profits. It's incredibly easy to get started with cloud mining. You simply choose a reputable provider, select a mining plan that fits your budget, and you're good to go. No need to worry about expensive hardware, complicated software, or sky-high electricity bills. However, cloud mining does come with its own set of risks. You're essentially trusting a third party with your investment, and there's always the possibility of scams or unreliable providers. That's why it's crucial to do your research and choose a reputable cloud mining company with a proven track record. Look for online reviews, compare pricing plans, and make sure they have transparent fee structures. If you're feeling adventurous and want more control over your mining operation, secondhand hardware might be the perfect option for you. Diving into the world of used mining equipment can be both exciting and rewarding. Not only does it allow you to save a significant amount of money, but it also gives you the flexibility to customize your setup according to your specific needs and preferences. Think of it like buying a used car. Just as you would carefully inspect a pre-owned vehicle, you need to be diligent when purchasing secondhand mining hardware. You can find some incredible deals on mining hardware if you know where to look. Websites like eBay, Craigslist, and specialized forums are great places to start your search. Online marketplaces, forums, and even local classifieds can be treasure troves for budget-conscious miners. You might stumble upon someone who is upgrading their rig and looking to sell their old equipment at a bargain price. Of course, buying used hardware comes with its own set of challenges. It's not always easy to determine the history of the equipment or how heavily it has been used. You'll need to be extra cautious about the condition of the equipment and ensure it's still powerful enough to mine profitably. Check for any signs of wear and tear, and don't hesitate to ask the seller for detailed information about the hardware's performance and maintenance history. It's essential to thoroughly research the seller, inspect the hardware for any signs of wear and tear, and factor in the cost of potential repairs or upgrades. Reading reviews and seeking advice from experienced miners can also help you make an informed decision. But with a bit of luck and due diligence, you can score some serious mining power at a fraction of the cost of new equipment. Imagine the satisfaction of setting up your rig and watching it churn out crypto rewards, all while knowing you made a savvy investment. Section 5. Low-cost GPUs, small investments, big potential returns. GPUs, or graphics processing units, are the workhorses of cryptocurrency mining. They're specifically designed to handle the complex calculations required to solve mining algorithms. While high-end GPUs can cost a small fortune, there are plenty of budget-friendly options available that can still deliver decent mining performance. These entry-level GPUs might not make you rich overnight, but they're a great way to dip your toes into the mining pool without breaking the bank. When choosing a low-cost GPU for mining, it's crucial to consider factors like hash rate, which is basically the mining power, power consumption, and cooling efficiency. You'll also need to factor in the cost of electricity in your area to ensure your mining operation remains profitable. Section 6. The pros and cons, weighing your mining options. Now that we've explored the different affordable mining options, let's weigh the pros and cons of each approach. Cloud mining pros: easy setup, no hardware or software required, predictable costs. Cons: lower potential profits, reliance on third-party providers, risk of scams. Second-hand hardware pros: potentially high profits, more control over your mining operation, affordable upfront costs. Cons: risk of buying faulty equipment, requires technical knowledge, potential for unexpected repair costs. Low-cost GPUs pros: affordable entry point, good balance of performance and cost, suitable for beginners. Cons: lower hash rate compared to high-end GPUs, may become obsolete faster, requires some technical setup. Ultimately, the best mining option for you depends on your budget, risk tolerance, and technical expertise. Carefully consider your individual circumstances and choose the approach that aligns best with your goals. Section 7. Mining on a budget, tips and tricks for maximum returns. Mining profitability isn't just about the hardware you use, it's also about optimizing your setup for maximum efficiency and minimizing costs. The right strategies can make a significant difference in your overall returns, especially when you're working with a limited budget. Here are a few tips to help you mine smarter, not harder. These strategies will help you get the most out of your mining efforts without breaking the bank. Join a mining pool. By joining forces with other miners, you can increase your chances of solving blocks and earning rewards. Mining pools combine the computational power of all members, making it easier to compete against larger mining operations. Optimize electricity usage. Electricity costs can eat into your profits. Consider using energy-efficient hardware and mining during off-peak hours when electricity rates are lower. Additionally, you can explore renewable energy options like solar or wind power to further reduce costs. Stay cool. Mining generates heat, which can damage your equipment and increase cooling costs. Ensure your mining rig has adequate ventilation and consider using cooling solutions like fans or liquid coolers. Proper cooling not only extends the lifespan of your hardware but also maintains optimal performance. Keep learning. The world of cryptocurrency mining is constantly evolving. Stay up to date on the latest trends, technologies, and mining strategies to maximize your profitability. Attend conferences, participate in online forums, and read up on the latest developments to stay ahead of the curve. By implementing these tips, you can significantly reduce your mining costs and increase your chances of success, even with a limited budget. Remember, the key to successful mining is not just about having the best equipment, but also about making smart decisions and continuously optimizing your approach. Section 8. Taking the plunge. A beginner's guide to starting small. Ready to embark on your cryptocurrency mining adventure? It's an exciting journey that can be both rewarding and educational. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started on the right foot. 1. Choose your mining method. Decide whether cloud mining, second-hand hardware, or low-cost GPUs best suit your needs and budget. Each method has its own pros and cons, so take your time to research. 2. Select a cryptocurrency. Research different cryptocurrencies and choose one that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Popular options include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. 3. Set up your mining software. Download and configure the appropriate mining software for your chosen cryptocurrency and hardware. Make sure to follow the setup instructions carefully to optimize performance. 4. Join a mining pool. Increase your chances of earning rewards by joining forces with other miners in a mining pool. This way you can share resources and split the rewards. 5. Monitor your progress. Regularly check your mining performance, track your earnings, and adjust your strategy as needed. Use tools and software to keep an eye on your progress and make data-driven decisions. Remember, starting small and gradually scaling up is key to minimizing risks and maximizing your chances of success. Don't rush the process. Patience and persistence are crucial. With careful planning and consistent effort, you can turn your small start into a successful mining operation. Section 9. Conclusion: the future of mining is in your hands. Cryptocurrency mining might seem daunting at first, but it's more accessible than you think. With a little research, planning, and a willingness to learn, anyone can join the exciting world of mining and potentially reap the rewards. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a complete beginner, there's a mining option out there for you. So, take the first step today, embrace the challenge, and become a part of the future of finance. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to cryptokryptonite, subscribe now, like, and comment below. That way, you'll never miss an uplifting video again.